Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply and divide the mixed numbers. So, for the multiplication problem, first we need to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So, we will multiply denominator with the whole part of the mixed number, and in the answer, we will add the numerator. So, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So, our first improper fraction is 7/3. Same way, for the second mixed number, we will multiply the denominator with the whole part 1. Then in the answer, we will add the numerator 1. So, our second improper fraction would be 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So, 3/2. Now, we just need to multiply the numerators and denominators. So, 7 times 3 divided by 3 times 2, which is 21/6. Now, 21 and 6 both are divisible by 3. So, 21 divided by 3 is 7 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, our answer is 7 half. Now, this is an improper fraction, so we can convert it into a mixed number. So, 2 goes 3 times into 7. So, 3 we will write as a whole part and remainder is 1. So, 1 we will write in the numerator and denominator we will keep as it is. So, 3 whole 1/2 is our answer. Now, let us do this division problem. So, first we need to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So, we will multiply the denominator with the whole part of the mixed number, and in the answer we will add the numerator. So, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So, our first improper fraction is 15/4 divided by, for the second mixed number also we will follow the same procedure. 2 times 1, which is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So, our second improper fraction will be 3/2. Now, we will convert this division into an multiplication problem. So, let us keep the first improper fraction as it is, 15/4. Instead of division, we will write the multiplication. And since we have written multiplication instead of division, we will flip the second fraction. So, instead of 3/2, we will write 2/3. Now, let us multiply the numerator and denominators. So, 15 times 2 is 30 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now, 30 and 12 both are divisible by 6. So, 30 divided by 6 is 5 and 12 divided by 6 is 2. Now, this is an improper fraction. So, 2 goes 2 times in 5. So, 2 we will write as the whole part and remainder will be 1, that we will write in the numerator, and denominator we will keep as it is. So, 2 whole 1/2 is our answer. Hope this video will help you to understand how to multiply and divide the mixed numbers.